Hello guys, so it's been a moment since I upload. As you guys can see, it's been 5 months. I had others videos that I went live, but I was showcasing my strategy. So yeah, I will not um, show this in this video. But yeah, guys, this is just a small talk with you. Just talk about how far I've come and what things changed in my life since all those videos I've been posting. I was posting every day before, and I'm proud of myself because it showed me that I was very confident in myself and I was able to showcase the journey. I know the journey is sometimes very tough for people. So yeah, I'm very proud of everything I show here because some people can call me a scammer or everything, but because I have that as a proof, it shows that okay, I've been in the trenches, I've been struggling, and here I am today. So you guys can go and subscribe to my channel Jacob's Trades on YouTube. It's the same as my Twitter, and yeah, my Twitter has been growing crazy for the last couple of days or months, so I'm pretty happy with that. Um, and yeah, I just want to make this video here crazy amount of views because I talk about ICT. And yeah, just came here to talk about my progress, what is going on with me. I know it's been 5 months. I didn't put any video out there, so yeah, just I just wanted to take a moment to talk with you guys. So um, what is my story? Oh, I did that, and what is next for me um, in this life and in the next couple of months. So first of all, yeah, I will do a brief about my story. Um, I did trade ICT for 8 months. I had no results, so I decided to strategy hopping, and I found this strategy that is working very well for me, as you guys can see on the screen. Um, so I'm pretty happy with that. And am I showing something I'm not supposed to? That's fine. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty happy I found this strategy. I made around 200,000, $20,000 in payout in the last, I believe, 3 or 4 months. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Um, my life completely changed. So, right now I offer mentorship. So, if you guys want to reach out, I can mentor you. It says in my bio here, DM for mentorship. It's not free. I will be honest here with you guys. It's $2,000 USD. So I know for some people it's kind of expensive, but for me, it just makes sense for me to charge that because I make a lot of money in trading. Like I'm averaging maybe 20 to 30K a week in trading, so that's very good money. Um, so yeah, I refer right now to help people. I have a Discord, I believe, around 10 people invest in me, invest in themselves. So yeah, life has been pretty good. And the next step will be for me to go to Dubai. And I already booked everything. So um, in the first week of January, I will go to Dubai, stay there like 3 months, register everything, register my business so I can have like no tax to pay for the next year because this year I will pay a lot of tax, like 50% of all the money I made. So that's a lot, I will say. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update about my life, what is going on. Right now I'm trading with Tradify, Lucid, Topstep, funding deck, funded takes, my funded future, and take profit trader. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with all my results. Top Step, I think they are the best. You can make a lot of money. That's how I made all most of my money. So yeah, in Dubai, I will do some vlogs, maybe once a week, about what is going on. Just chat with you guys like that, just small talk, so people can know me. Um, Yesterday, I received a lot of hate about because I said I had no result with ICT, and people come at me and say, "Oh, course seller and everything," but that's fine. That's part of the journey, and there's nothing I can do about it. But yeah, just want to do this small video to just to update on YouTube, just to talk with you guys and what is going on in my life. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm very happy. I achieved a lot of goals of mine. My success was very fast, and people ask me how I was able to scale that fast. Is the thing is I took my first payout, I believe it was the start of August, like maybe $3,000 in payout there. And after that, I have like 1 month of in and out. Like I win one day, I lose the other. So I questioned myself and I just improved my strategy. And from there, it went very crazy. I saw crazy results. So what I did is I took the money, I reinvest very heavy on all accounts across the platform space. And here I am with like I believe 30 funded accounts right now. Most of them are 50Ks. And yeah, um, right now I'm doing 20 to 30K a week. Maybe this week we'll see. Maybe this week I will be able to do 50K in payout USD. So that's around 70K Canadian dollars. But yeah, that's crazy. That's a yearly salary for most people. I know. Um, I don't even understand what is going on with my life right now. I'm like eye on life. Everything happens so fast. I went to on Top Step TV. It was pretty nice a couple of times. This week I will not be on Top Step TV. They didn't invite me. That's fine. But yeah, man, life move very fast. If you're watching this deal and you don't have a lot of success in trading, it can happen like in a month or two. So focus on yourself and don't give up. Show up every day, and you will be fine. And I tweet this, and people support me about that. But I was very open. Sorry, I opened up on Twitter. I was around 40K um, Canadian dollars in debt before trading worked out for me. So I was like everybody working. I did some very big mistake in crypto and I started a business and I put myself in very deep debt for my age, I will say. So I was not proud of that, but I shared that on my Twitter because that's my story. That's the truth. Everybody has down or lows, but right now I'm living the good life, but it was not always like that. So that's why I want to share the bad side of everything because this is not always good and everything is good and green in life. And yeah, right now I'm 23 years old, just turned 23 this month. My life completely changed in the span of 3 months. Um, I was working like 40 hours a week, like 3 months ago. And it was okay. Like I was working at night and trading in the morning, so it was not that bad. But yeah, I left that job because I don't want to be cocky here, but I was making a lot of money, so I was like, okay, I don't give a damn about this job anymore. So yeah, I did the right choice. Right now I'm doing very good for myself. I wish you guys, all of you guys, to make good money, to support your family, to help your friends, and that's pretty much it, man. I just want to talk with you guys here, just some update about my life, what is going on. So trading been very good. I'm taking care of my family, try to bless them with some money. Christmas is coming. I will give them crazy gift, and in January I will move to Dubai. The first 2 weeks will be with my boys, and after that I will most likely be alone. So we will see. Life is crazy. I'm happy with all the journey. It's been up, down, 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 and right now it's higher highs. So thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you. And when I will be in Dubai, I will do some vlogs. It will be very interesting. I don't, I will not do Instagram and TikTok, but I will most likely focus on YouTube and Twitter. Because I don't know, I don't want to be big. I don't want like people to recognize me in the street. I want to be like small and not bother in real life, I will say. But yeah, I would like to do some vlogs. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. I really appreciate you. And if you have any feedback or question for me, you can write it down in the comment section here or on Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter. So let me know. It's been a pleasure talking with you guys, and I wish you a great rest of the day. Peace out, guys.